Hello and welcome back to a new episode from Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are all doing very well today, and our recipe is a chicken tagine. It is made with peas and carrots, and this method is different and professional. I will show you a secret at the end that makes the tagine taste amazing. Now I will turn on the heat and use this cooking pot here. This pot has a shape similar to a traditional tagine. I added a quarter cup of traditional oil into the pot. I will add one chopped onion here and saute it well. I leave the onion until it softens and releases its moisture before adding the chicken. After the onion is nicely sautéed, I continue with the seasoning. I add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. The salt depends on your taste, and I also add a little cinnamon. I also add 1 small clove of garlic without using too much. We only want the garlic to lightly enhance the flavor. Now I add the chicken pieces that I already cut beforehand. I like cutting the chicken this way because it cooks nicely. You can always cut your chicken however you prefer. I leave the chicken until it browns well on all sides. Once one side is browned, I flip it to brown the other side too. Do not forget to add the cinnamon stick so it cooks with the chicken. Now the bottom side is browned, so I turn the chicken pieces. I leave the other side to brown before preparing the sauce. We do not need a lot of sauce, so I only add a little water. This cooking method makes the tagine taste very delicious. Once the chicken is browned on both sides, I add hot water. I use about 250 milliliters of water. Now I leave the chicken to cook for 10 minutes. Since the chicken pieces are small, they cook very quickly. Then I add the carrots and cook everything for another 10 minutes. I cover the pot and let it continue cooking for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I add 3 or 4 carrots. You can adjust the quantity depending on your family size. I cover the tagine again and leave it to cook for 10 more minutes. Carrots need more cooking time than peas. As you can see, this method is very simple and practical. Always cook on low heat so the tagine develops a rich flavor. This also keeps the sauce from drying out too quickly. The vegetables and sauce cook together and create a delicious result. Now I add the peas to the tagine. I use half a kilogram of peas, depending on the number of people. I cover the tagine again and continue cooking on low heat. I leave it until the peas are almost fully cooked. After that, I will add the final ingredients to complete the dish. This recipe turns out amazing and is prepared like restaurant tagines. It has a wonderful flavor, so keep watching until the end. I hope you enjoy today's recipe and try it at home. The peas and carrots are now perfectly cooked. Now I add some chopped cilantro and parsley. I also add small pieces of preserved lemon. The vegetables release enough moisture, so we do not need much sauce. The final touch that gives this dish an incredible flavor comes now. I add 1 small spoon of honey to the tagine. You can also use regular honey or even a little sugar. This creates a perfect balance between sweetness and saltiness. The olives also give the dish a wonderful taste. You should definitely try this method for your tagine. I leave the tagine a little longer until the sauce thickens slightly. Then I turn off the heat completely. Our tagine is now ready and looks absolutely beautiful. Now I will transfer it to the serving plate. This is the final presentation of our chicken tagine. It is made with peas and carrots and looks very delicious. Adding honey at the end gives the tagine an amazing flavor. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell. See you in the next video, and enjoy your meal. Yeah.